In this video we'll look at the high-res 3D charts for the Turbo family for the sea area folios of Clyde and the Irish Sea. We're starting off at Malin Head here in North End of Ireland. We'll just zoom in here. You can see the quite confused seabed, but once you've got zoomed in here, we're down at a scale of 1 to 2500, which is about 600 meters to the screen. You can see very high detail on these seabed features here. The bathymetry lines on the navigation screen show you how steep the faces of these features can be. The tighter the together lines, the steeper the face. We're down at 400 meters to the screen here. So let's just scoot along the coast, take in some different features. This is the Turbot Bank, I think it's called. Again, you can see the very elegant shapes that nature's carved on the seabed for you. If we go further out into the North Channel here, there's an area here which scallopers like to work on. You know, they do take a lot of scallops off here. The Clyde area also takes in the channels here between Gia and Isla. Very mixed fishery in here. A lot of prawn fishing goes on in here, but also a lot of scallop fishing goes on in here as well, and static gear. See if we can get anything to happen here. Here's the inside of Gia, between Gia and the Mull of Kintyre. You can see the features on the seabed there. Again, there are no navigation charts being used to produce these images. These are images derived from professional surveys. Come down through the North Channel here between the Mull of Kintyre and Northern Ireland. Take a look across here at the Scottish coast. An isolated feature here on the seabed. You can see it's got quite a distinctive shape. Again, the 1 meter bathymetry lines here indicate this to be about 20 meters tall. Very hard. It's got a scour mark here, a hole in the seabed right adjacent to it indicates that this is extremely hard indeed. And the scour here as well. You've got a scour on one side, sandy deposit or a shale gravel deposit on the other side. So we'll go down round the corner. We're into Beaufort's Dyke here, very deep water indeed. Not a lot of fishing goes on in there because it's got so much debris dumped in it. Again, you can see the detail. So we can come down into Irish Sea now. Take a look at these features here at the bottom end of the North Channel. And again, very interesting features, all of which can be used for fishing advantage. At the south side of the Isle of Man here, you've got a lot of scallop fishing goes on there. I'll just switch off this colour wash here on the navigation screen so we can look at the contours as they stand. Lots of queenies and scallops get caught in here. And very interesting features on the seabed. Sure, the local fishermen know all about this, but if you're going in somewhere new you've never been before, these charts will give you a dramatic commercial edge over going in blind. As I said in previous videos, we've got over 100 boats in the UK using these. Testimonies from several skippers. Some of them are saying that they've fitted these charts and they haven't had to put a needle near their nets since they fitted them, because they're avoiding all the obstacles. Other skippers are saying because you can pick up a 1 meter rise in the seabed, which you can't do from a live echo sounder because you've got tide and weather effects in there. These 1 meter rises are giving you good fishings, or 1 meter gullies are giving you good fishings. You never thought you would go there before, but you go and you catch. So that's up into the Solway Firth there, across the Irish coast here. Let's take a look. When I'm 18 fathoms of water. Survey artifacts there. We do have data for Strangford Loch. We haven't processed it for the fishing industry. If anybody wants it, contact us and we'll process it. quite shallow water here, 8 or 9 fathoms of water. So again, you can see the seabed features jumping up at you, and these water depths you could almost see the bottom. But again, you can lay a plan to shoot your gear along a particular edge before you've left the harbour. So we'll finish up down here, I think, in the Irish Sea. As far as the PC specifications to run this, most PCs will, as long as you've got a Celeron type processor or faster, 4 gig of RAM. If you're using all the seabed charts, you'll need 8 gig of RAM, probably Windows 10 to run it. But the cost of PCs nowadays is not as daunting as it used to be. So we'll stop this one here. Our next sea areas will be Cardigan, Kinsale and the southwest approaches. We'll do these in a oneer because they tend to meet here. So that'll be the next place we go. You can see the list of outlets to get these charts and your software at the end of this video.